Hi, I'm Barbie Wong, and I'm so grateful to be here talking to you today. What if I told you that there was something available for your child that would enhance academics, complement athletics, and provide them with a lifetime of joy? What I'm talking about is making music. Studies have shown so many benefits to making music, including increased brain function, and it helps them tap into creativity and self-expression. It helps kids connect better with others. No wonder parents spend an average of $3,000 a year on music lessons. And yet, by the time kids are 16 years old, almost 2 out of 3 will have quit, and many will never pick up an instrument again. I have spent a lot of years playing music, studying music, teaching music, and when I had kids, I wanted them to make and love music for the rest of their lives. So I began to research why some adults continue to make music while others stopped. And with what I learned, I created a simple, practical process that I've used on my own kids and many parents have used on theirs. And the results are the same. These kids develop great musical skills and a deep love for making music. As parents, we're all so busy, and you shouldn't have to go through the years of frustration that I did. So let me help you give your child one of the most precious things that life has to offer: the gift of music. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen. Check out my website to learn more about my workshops, videos, online classes. And remember to live from the heart and play with joy.